In this video, we will delve into the soothing qualities of chamomile tea, a herbal infusion known for its calming effects. Chamomile tea contains compounds that may help reduce stress and promote relaxation, making it a perfect addition to your daily routine. By understanding the properties of chamomile tea, you can harness its potential to enhance your overall well-being and create moments of tranquility in your day-to-day life. Brewing the perfect cup of chamomile tea involves key steps to ensure you extract the full flavor and benefits. From water temperature and steeping time to proper tea-to-water ratio, each element contributes to a delightful brew that maximizes the relaxation properties of chamomile. By mastering the art of brewing chamomile tea, you can savor a soothing aromatic experience that calms your senses and uplifts your mood. Incorporating chamomile tea into your evening ritual can be a wonderful way to unwind and alleviate stress. By exploring creative ways to incorporate chamomile tea into your nightly routine, you can create a relaxing and comforting experience that promotes restful sleep and relaxation. Whether it's sipping chamomile tea before bed, adding it to a bedtime routine, or using it in relaxation practices like meditation, incorporating chamomile tea in your evenings can enhance your overall well-being and help you unwind after a long day. Chamomile tea blends offer a variety of options to customize your relaxation experience based on your preferences. From blends that include other herbs like lavender or mint to blends with spices like cinnamon or ginger, exploring different chamomile tea combinations can cater to unique tastes and desired effects. By experimenting with chamomile tea blends, you can discover the perfect concoction that suits your relaxation needs and enhances your calming rituals. Diving into the world of chamomile tea blends opens up a realm of possibilities to create a personalized and soothing tea experience. To maximize the relaxing effects of chamomile tea, expert tips can elevate your relaxation routine to the next level. From optimal brewing techniques to enhancing the aroma with additions like honey or lemon, these insights can enhance the calming properties of chamomile tea. Additionally, exploring the ideal time to enjoy chamomile tea and incorporating mindful practices while savoring it can further amplify the relaxation benefits. By incorporating these expert tips into your chamomile tea routine, you can create a deeply soothing and rejuvenating experience that promotes ultimate relaxation.